Imagine this, a world where your smartwatch isn't just a fitness tracker, a notification tool, or an extension of your smartphone. Instead, it's a complete personal assistant that evolves with your needs, redefines health monitoring, and offers an immersive experience unlike anything else in wearable tech. Sound futuristic? Well, welcome to the Apple Watch Series 10, the future on your wrist. In this video, we're diving deep into the Apple Watch Series 10, Apple's latest groundbreaking release that's changing the game for smartwatches once again. Whether you're a fitness junkie, a health-conscious individual, or someone who loves tech for its convenience, this watch has something for everyone. So let's explore all the revolutionary features, design updates, and why this could be the best smartwatch ever created. Stick around, you're going to want to see what's coming next. Let's kick things off with the design because Apple has really outdone themselves this time. The Apple Watch Series 10 introduces a sleek and sophisticated design upgrade that pushes the boundaries of elegance and functionality. The body is made from a newly developed titanium alloy that's both lighter and more durable than previous models. It doesn't just look premium, it feels premium. And for those of you who like options, Apple is offering it in a range of finishes including graphite, starlight, midnight, and for the first time, electric blue. The watch also boasts a bigger edge-to-edge display with an almost bezel-less screen that maximizes every inch of the device. The new Ultra Retina XDR display is brighter than ever, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're tracking a run under the sun or navigating through a dark room, visibility is never an issue. But here's where it gets even better. Apple has introduced a new micro-LED display. Unlike traditional LEDs, micro-LED tech offers sharper contrast, improved brightness, and longer-lasting battery life. This makes the Series 10 display not just beautiful but also incredibly energy efficient. Apple's introduction of micro-LED in a watch marks a significant leap in wearable technology. The deeper blacks, sharper visuals, and efficient energy consumption make the Series 10 not only stunning to look at but also a powerhouse that you don't have to constantly charge. With the Apple Watch Series 10, Apple is taking health tracking to an entirely new dimension. Yes, we've already got the basics like heart rate monitoring, ECG, blood oxygen levels, and fitness tracking. But Series 10 introduces a non-invasive blood glucose monitor. That's right, for the first time, you can track your blood sugar levels directly from your wrist without needing a needle. For those managing diabetes or anyone just looking to monitor their health more closely, this is a huge breakthrough. Sleep tracking is also getting a major upgrade. Apple has integrated more advanced sensors that track not just your sleep patterns, but also your sleep quality, including REM cycles, heart rate variability during sleep, and even sleep apnea detection. If you've ever woken up feeling tired even after a full night's sleep, the Series 10 will give you detailed insights to improve your rest. In a first-of-its-kind move, Apple Watch Series 10 introduces mental health tracking. The watch can now monitor your stress levels throughout the day, providing real-time feedback and suggesting mindfulness exercises when it detects heightened levels of stress. You'll get notifications prompting you to take a deep breath, walk around, or even meditate, helping you stay balanced and mentally healthy. For those of you who love the great outdoors, the new body temperature sensor and hydration tracker are a must. Whether you're on a hike or pushing through a workout, these features ensure you stay in the optimal zone for performance and health. Are you a fitness enthusiast or looking to get in better shape? Well, Fitness Plus just got a massive upgrade. The Apple Watch Series 10 is fully integrated with the new Fitness Plus 2.0, offering personalized workouts, guided sessions, and real-time feedback on your form and progress. Thanks to its new AI-powered coaching system, the watch doesn't just tell you what to do, it adapts to your body's needs. If it senses you're pushing too hard during a workout, it will prompt you to take it down a notch, If you're breezing through a run, it might suggest adding a sprint to challenge yourself. Series 10 also comes with new workout modes, including height, swimming, rock climbing, and even yoga. The watch's upgraded sensors can now detect intricate movements, making sure every push-up, jump, or stretch is accurately recorded. Cyclists, this one's for you. The Apple Watch Series 10 now supports power meter integration and cadence tracking, offering in-depth analysis of your rides. Whether you're an amateur cyclist or a pro, this feature gives you more data to improve your performance. Now let's talk performance. The Apple Watch Series 10 is powered by the new S10 chip, which offers faster performance, smoother transitions between apps, and quicker response times, all while consuming less energy. This watch is 30% faster than the Series 9, and with watchOS 11, multitasking feels effortless. You can seamlessly switch between workouts, messages, and even third-party apps with zero lag. Storage. You got it. The Series 10 comes with 64 GB of onboard storage, which is plenty of room for apps, music, podcasts, and more. And as for battery life, we know this is a big one. The Series 10 features a 48-hour battery life on a single charge, thanks to the efficiency of the micro-LED display and the S10 chip. Plus, with fast charging, you can get 80% battery in just 30 minutes. So whether you're going on a weekend trip or just living through a busy workday, this watch has your back. Siri on the Apple Watch Series 10 is no longer just a voice assistant. It's now powered by AI and offers a far more personalized experience. The new AI assistant learns from your habits and patterns, making it smarter and more responsive. It can suggest workout routines, recommend relaxation times, and even anticipate your next appointment. And here's a big update. Siri now works offline for common tasks. Whether you're in a dead zone or just don't want to use data, Siri can now set alarms, control your music, and check your health stats without an internet connection. Siri also integrates deeply with third-party apps, giving you more control over tasks like ordering food, booking rides, or even controlling smart home devices, all from your wrist. Another major upgrade is the 5G connectivity. Yes, you heard that right. The Apple Watch Series 10 now supports 5G, offering faster data speeds and more reliable connectivity even in congested areas. But that's not all. In an industry first, Apple has added satellite connectivity to the Apple Watch Series 10, specifically designed for emergency situations. If you're off the grid, maybe hiking in the wilderness or stuck in a remote area, and you need help, the watch can send a distress signal via satellite to emergency services. This is an absolute game changer for adventure lovers, making sure that help is never out of reach. Apple is also giving users more ways to express their personality with the Apple Watch Series 10. It comes with a variety of customizable bands and new watch faces. From sporty to chic, leather to silicone, there's something for everyone. And for those who want to go the extra mile, Apple has partnered with high-end designers for exclusive luxury bands that transform the watch from a fitness tool to a fashion statement. Apple has made it clear they are committed to sustainability, and the Series 10 is a prime example of this. The watch is made from 100% recycled materials, including aluminum and rare earth elements. The packaging is also eco-friendly, using biodegradable materials and no plastic. You're probably wondering, how much will this game-changing device cost? The Apple Watch Series 10 starts at $499 for the base model and goes up depending on your chosen band and finish. The pre-orders are live now, and it will hit stores globally in mid-October 2024. So there you have it, folks. The Apple Watch Series 10 is the most advanced smartwatch ever created. From its groundbreaking health features to its AI-powered assistant and sleek, durable design, this watch is more than just a timepiece. It's a statement, a tool for better living, and your personal gateway to the future. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and news. Also, drop a comment below. Let us know what feature of the Series 10 you're most excited about. Until next time, stay tech savvy, and I'll see you in the next video.